Hello my friends, welcome back to the Soupy Air. So, I know in my last video I was discussing what tools I was going to use to put this stuff together, and I'm going to start working on it here soon. With it being so cold outside, I figured there's not really a better time to renovate my some of the shelving setup in my Sienna. So what am I going to do? I pulled out my one shelf because I didn't need that much storage. I've got my rear cargo container on the back of my van, and I also have that shelf thing set up behind my 40% split in the very back. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to have some sort of a shelf behind my rear passenger seat, and that's what I'm going to do. Is I'm actually going to cut this thing right down the middle, and I'm going to turn this into two small shelves. Now I left this in because, believe it or not, we are designing, me and my nephew, you've seen him in some of my other videos, we're designing his build. Now he hasn't even taken his road test yet, but he's all excited. Him and a group of his friends are so excited about going out and actually getting into this, traveling the country, kind of seeing the world and stuff like that when they graduate high school, or when they, get their driver's license and they want to go out west and just kind of do some exploring. So it's pretty cool. I'm really excited, and they've been asking tons of questions, and I'm a teacher, so where I work, I get a lot of kids that are asking me and stuff, because I talk to them about it and just talk to other kids about, hey, tell me about some of the vacations you've taken with your family, or tell me about some of the travels that you've been on. And I've had a couple of students that have already, kind of caught that travel bug, and they want to go see the world. So that's awesome. I highly encourage it. So what I want to do is I'm going to actually cut this right down the middle, and I'm going to use these. I got some new wood, and I just finished cutting these. I got to sand these, and then I'm going to polyurethane them. But I got these, and I'm going to turn this into two shelves instead of just one. And I have thought about putting my Alpicool refrigerator as well as my solar charger on this shelf behind my rear passenger seat. I've thought about it. I don't know yet. I do have a lot of people that ride in my passenger seat from time to time, but never more than one other person besides myself in my vehicle. So with that being said, this is my next endeavor. What I need to do is I need to cut it right down the middle here, and I'll draw a line and everything like that, but I'm going to use my existing wood because I didn't want to throw half of it away, and I'm going to construct two shelves out of it, and the other shelf I'm going to let my nephew use for his build, and he really likes this fold-up table. I thought that was pretty cool. But I got an idea for another table, and I kind of hinted at what I'm going to use for my other table. It's going to be able to swing. What would that be, like 180 degrees? It's going to be able to do 360-degree spinning and stuff like that. It's a really cool RV table arm that I found, but you're going to have to check it out. I did find the arm that I was looking at. I got the idea when I went to this RV show that they were putting on, and I was like, that would make a really good table. So I ordered one of the arms, and that's actually what I'm going to use for the one of the swinging tables on this. So you'll have to see what it looks like. It's in the mail. I got the idea from the RV show that I went to, and that's one of the benefits of going to these RV shows. You'll see the video will be up here soon. But the benefits of going to the RV shows is there's so much innovation there you can take for your own build. And that's why, they're usually free to get in. And it's kind of nice being able to walk around, get my steps every day, and just head up there and we walk around, maybe put 7,000 steps on, 10,000 steps or something like that. Me and my nephew kind of talking about what would be next for our van builds and stuff. But that's kind of what I like about this culture, is you're never done innovating your van. So I like that. With all that being said, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like when I cut it in half. I'm going to add the legs, add the sides and supports and everything else like that. And then I'm going to urethane it. And I really would like to locate this table further. I would like to relocate my Alpicool refrigerator and my solar generator on this. I don't know if it'll fit or not. I don't really need the extra storage, but I figured this would be kind of a cool idea. And the reason why I took this out was probably, I hinted on it in a couple of my other builds, and I'll show you guys a brand new you know, coming up here this summer, whenever it warms up and whenever the snow dies, I will give you guys a new tour of my van and kind of show you guys what I've done from my previous build until now. I've been doing some work with these, getting a bigger rear cargo area, because I do want to have a truck box that fits on this, and I do want to have a what do they call that, an electric scooter, because I have an electric bike, but I still think the electric bike is a little bit overkill if I just want to go uptown or something like that, or I want to go to the Walmart or something like that and grab a couple of groceries. The scooter, you can fold it right up, throw it in the shopping cart, do your shopping, hop right on the scooter, and then go back to your campsite where your van is. Or you can just pick up stuff while you're out with your van. But anyway, I thought that'd be kind of neat. So I'm doing some more innovation, and that's what I love about this, is you're always innovating. You're always changing something on it. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys reach out. And I hope you guys take care, and thank you so much for subscribing and checking out my channel. All right, thank you.